ಆ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಬಿಡಿ. Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. Speed, velocity, what comes in your mind? I'm at Vroom, the 4th edition at Taneja Aerodrome. And this place is crazy with people who are obsessed about speed or velocity, or somebody who loves their cars or bikes. There's a drag race happening here, and I'm come here to kind of cover the entire event. I'm going to talk to a couple of people, tell you guys what this passion means to these guys, what kind of money they put into this, what kind of time they spend, and what kind of skill set they need to be on the track. I'll see you guys right after this intro video.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with me.
Hi guys, I'm with Race Concepts, and I'm going to talk to the team and understand a little bit about the sport. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Hohem. I work at Race Concepts.
So, did you guys build it from the scratch, or how's it? Tell me about the build.
Joel is business now,
Okay.
from scratch.
Okay.
So he is the founder and technical head at Race Concepts. I work with him, but it's all his work. He built the car for Kona, and Kona puts his skills to the test on the
So, how did you get into this sport? What made you come into this sport?
Personally, I got into the sport from karting. I got into a go-kart, and then I figured out as a car guy, and then I met a bunch of car guys, at the garage workshop and the back strip, and then we ended up making friends, and today here we are.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, is this a cheap or an expensive sport?
It's a matter of perspective.
Okay.
It
Explain me perspective. What's that?
can be expensive. It is expensive if you are going to take a car and go to the track and race it, or you want to rally a car. But drag racing is especially meant for somebody who has a car who wants to show the potential of the car. It's not about a supercar or a street car or whatever it is. You may have a Zen, you may have a Honda, but you want to show the potential of your car and how it has been built. So that's why you have separate classes and then winner for each category. The point is not about the overall fastest guys. It's about the fastest guys in their individual classes. And this makes it affordable for people to get their everyday car and come and race. Kona wanted something wild. He wanted something different. He didn't want to go the turbocharged route because everybody does that.
So, how long you guys been doing this?
This concept is about 7 years old. I've been doing this for about 5 years. And I've known these guys for almost 4 years. Yeah, long way to go.
Kona, please introduce yourself. How long you've been racing or doing drag racing, and where you from, and a little bit about yourself.
My
name
name is
Rahul
I
Menon,
am from Bangalore.
D.
I've been
Ashwin,
racing
F. Vinod John,
for about 4-5 years now.
Nelson,
Before it used to be only
Rahul
on the street
George.
because there never was an opportunity to drag like this. There was no scenario like
Requesting you
this.
all
So
to
we used to do it
report
on the street.
immediately.
So introduce yourself.
Hi, myself Praveen. I've been into racing for the past 10 years maybe, when I used to bunk college and ride my bike on the Nandi Hills road when the hill climb used to happen. So yeah, it's been a long journey from then, and right now I'm driving a Honda City in the 1500cc category in the street stock one category.
Wonderful.
Both
So-
of us started together.
Oh, together. Okay, we'll just show the car. Just give me a little perspective why you've done this or that, or what's the main intention, what's the color scheme, and is it a character or you wanted to give him a character? What is that?
I think it's a bit of both.
Okay.
He wanted something a bit wild on the inside and the outside as well. So what we understand of his character, we put onto the car.
Super.
So that's what we did.
And that's all for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed what I did. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video, like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can press the subscription button on the top and also the bell icon so that you have a notification every time I've uploaded a new video. And hope you guys like this. Keep rolling until the next time, guys. I'll see you.